Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. If you are eager to elevate your home decor on a budget, you're in the perfect spot. I'm passionate about garage sales, thrift flipped, and uncovering sale treasures to create beautiful items. Stick around by subscribing, sharing, and liking. Today's video is part of an open collaboration. I'm going to tell you about that a little later, but now let's go ahead and dive into our first project. Beginning with our first project, I have this little basket. I've had this for a while. I was about to throw it out, but then I'm thinking, this is in good conditions. Let me just go ahead and clean it up and give it one coat with white chalk paint. And I will be doing that to the entire piece plus the lid. Now that everything is completely dry, I have this one napkin from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and add some Mod Podge to the lid. I'll be spreading it evenly, and once that is completely done, then I'll just be placing the napkin right on top. I'll be placing also the parchment paper, and with my little mini iron. And this is how I'm going to be activating the Mod Podge. Once it's nice and adhered to the lid, then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess tissue or napkin, and then it's time to sand the remaining. So I took that old ribbon and now I'm going to be replacing it with this green one, only because I believe that it will give that pop color. And of course I'm going to be doing a double knot, making sure that this is nice and secured. This is going to be a gift for my daughter. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this rub-on letters and I will be spelling out her name. If somebody can tell me what this name is spelled backwards and leave it in my description box, that is her daddy's name and he was the one that named her. I took this crispy green from Apple Barrel, and with a sponge brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and trace this right here. And as you can tell, in the bottom of this little bucket, I didn't notice that a Z had transferred to the bottom. You see it? But I came back later on with some white chalk paint and I just go ahead and I kind of fixed it. But look at that. We make mistakes. I didn't even notice that that was there until I was editing this video. And her name is Legna. Her dad gave her the name and his name is right in there. He just gave her his name backwards. Could somebody tell me what it says? I'll leave it in the description box. Now I am going to be adding some tissue paper right in here, and I am going to be adding 2 mugs from Dollar Tree, also some Swiss mist with marshmallows and some hot cocoa balls with a gift certificate. I hope that she's gonna like it. What do you think? Do you think she'll enjoy it? She loves hot cocoa. And here is the final reveal. I hope you enjoy it. And today is Christmas gift ideas, and this is a collaboration with Ellie from House to Home, Leah, Make All Things With Me, Kate, Lady Red Crafting, Marla, the Chick Show DIY, Christina, DIY Craftaholic, Loli D's Creations, myself, Aurea, DIY with Aurea, Cindy, Z9 Designs. We also have Amanda, 6 Kiss and a Glue Gun, Sharon, Grace Neighbors, Sharon. We also have Latasha, Sunflower Tasha DIYs, and Sarah, Sunflowers and DIYing. So many talented creators. I am so happy to be part of this group. I'm going to be leaving the playlist down below. Make sure to go visit them and subscribe, share, and like. Don't forget to watch the videos all the way into the end. I always tell you the same thing. If you don't watch the videos all the way into the end, then you won't be able to leave a comment and let them know which one of their DIYs is your favorite. Having said that, let's go ahead and jump into our second DIY. I went to Dollar Tree and I took one of these candles in red and this little tint container. So I went home and of course I melted the candle down and I poured just a little just to see if it would leak. But it didn't leak, so I was really surprised that it didn't leak. I was expecting for it to. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of it. Don't throw the wick, because the wick I'm going to be using it again. I'm going to straighten it out, let it sit for a while, cut it into 3 pieces, and then I'm going to come back within 5 to 10 minutes and I added the wick right inside. Now that the wax hardened, I came back and I cut the excess wick out. This is nice. I really like it. So I went on and I created a pretty bowl. I will be placing it right on top with a little bit of hot glue along with 2 Christmas bells, and this is it. Do you think my daughter will enjoy this pretty gift? I think she'll like it. And the candle is scented. I was very surprised to find that kind of candle at the Dollar Tree. And this is it, my dear friends. Let me know in the comments section your thoughts. Do you think that she'll enjoy this? I think that if I receive something like this, I would definitely enjoy it because I love candles. Moving along with our third project. I went to my Cricut Joy and I printed out the letter L 4 times. I'm going to be creating some coasters for my daughter. These wood rounds, I purchased them at Temu. I really am enjoying them. You can do so much with them. And of course, I'm putting an L on 4 of them. And this is going to be another gift for my daughter. And her name is Legna. So I am putting the letter L. And she is looking at them. She's like, Mom, what is this? And I'm like, those are coasters and those are going to be for you. And you know, she just bought a house. So she has a little bar in her dining room, so she will be enjoying these. And with this cork sheet, I'm going to be placing it right, well actually I am cutting them to size. I'll be cutting 4 of them, and then once that is done, this is self-adhesive. I will be gluing them on the bottom of the wood round just to make sure that this is not going to be scratching any surface. So the border of this wood round, I decided that I was going to use some black chalk paint, and with a sponge brush, I'm just going to go ahead and paint just the border. And of course, I'm going to be doing that to all 4 coasters. And once you're done, you could come in with the Mod Podge, the one that's waterproof, and you could go ahead and give it 1 coat like that when you are cleaning them after usage. Then the black paint or the stencil won't come out. Did I say stencil? No, I meant to say the vinyl. So with my heat tool, I went on and I dried it. Now I'm going to stack them up, and you could go ahead and tie it with a pretty ribbon of your choice. Make a knot, and I'm going to absolutely put another bow right on top along with some greenery and some Christmas bells. And this is it for this beautiful project. I am enjoying this, and I know for sure that she is going to like it. And this is it for this beautiful project. And I also have a pretty red box that I'm going to be displaying it, and that will be her gift. And here is the final reveal. For our next project and final project, I'm going to take these little rub-on stickers and I'm going to be cutting several strips because I'm going to be decorating this beautiful jar. And this jar, I purchased it at thrift store. And because this is sort of like last minute gift, I am going to be creating a treat jar for my little diva, and that's what I'll be doing. I'm also going to be adding her name to the jar. So I used to transfer stickers in black, but then once I added her treats in there, I noticed that you could hardly see her name. So at the end, I came in with a blade and a little bit of alcohol. I removed those transferable stickers in black, and then I added them in gold. You'll see at the end of the video on the final reveal. So now I'm going to come in with this pretty bowl that I made off camera, and with some hot glue, I'm going to glue it right to the lid. And I'm also going to be adding some greenery and some jingle bells. And here it is all put together. Like I said, once you fill this jar with her treats, you will not be able to see her name. So I went on and I removed it, and now I'm going to come in with the gold one, and this one you can really see her name. I think I like this one better. But I want to hear your opinion in the comments section. Do you like her name in black or gold? And this is it. This is it for this video. I am so happy that you decided to stay until the end. Your time is highly appreciated. If you have not subscribed, I hope you do consider hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget that notification bell button like that. The next time that I upload a video, you will be notified. And now let's go ahead and show you the final reveal. And to my loyal subscribers, you know that you mean the world to me. I would not be here if it wasn't for you. I'll see you in my next video. Adios.